I'm Ben Wallace,
I'm Nathan Droessler.
And I'm Miles Hettinger.
and today we'll be covering the case of Mayo Collaborative Services versus Prometheus Laboratories.
In 2012, the Supreme Court's decision on Mayo Collaborative Services versus Prometheus Laboratories shaped the future of patent law in the biotechnology and pharmaceutical industries. This landmark case addressed whether processes that apply natural laws can be patented, and the resulting decision had significant implications for medical and diagnostic methods, influencing how innovation and research are approached in these fields. Understanding the intricacies of this case helps us appreciate the delicate balance between legal protection and scientific freedom. This case serves as a pivotal moment in the ongoing dialogue between law and science.
Prometheus Laboratories patents claim processes that help doctors determine the correct dosage of thiopurine drugs by measuring metabolite levels in the blood. These processes aim to optimize treatment for autoimmune diseases, ensuring patients receive the most effective dosage with minimal side effects. The patented process includes 3 critical steps: administering the drug, measuring the resulting metabolite levels, and adjusting the dosage based on these measurements. The ultimate goal was to enhance patient outcomes by tailoring treatments to individual needs. This approach represented a significant advancement in personalized medicine, highlighting the importance of precise and individualized treatment plans. By focusing on the unique needs of each patient, Prometheus sought to improve the efficacy and safety of thiopurine drugs.
The courtroom proceedings for Mayo Collaborative Services versus Prometheus Laboratories were pivotal in shaping patent law. The case was argued before the U.S. Supreme Court on December 7, 2011, and the decision was delivered on March 20, 2012. Prometheus Laboratories argued that the patents on diagnostic methods, which involved measuring metabolite levels in the blood to determine drug dosages, were valid. They claimed these methods applied natural laws in a way that merited patent protection. Mayo Collaborative Services countered that the patents merely described natural correlations and added routine, conventional steps, making them ineligible for patenting under U.S. law. The Supreme Court, in a unanimous decision authored by Justice Stephen Breyer, sided with Mayo. The court ruled that the patents were invalid because they sought to monopolize laws of nature without adding an inventive concept. This decision reversed the earlier ruling by the Federal Circuit Court, which upheld the patents. The ruling emphasized that while natural laws can inspire innovation, they cannot be patented unless they are applied in a novel and inventive way. This courtroom battle set a significant precedent, influencing how courts evaluate patent eligibility, particularly in the field of healthcare and diagnostics.
In the end, the court decided that processes based on natural laws must include more than routine or conventional steps to qualify for a patent. This ruling reinforced the principle that laws of nature, natural phenomena, and abstract ideas cannot be patented. This case is a critical study in balancing the interest of innovation and public access. The decision had a profound impact on patent law, leading to increased scrutiny of biotech and pharmaceutical patents. It emphasized the need to balance legal protection with accessibility to ensure ongoing scientific progress. This ruling has shaped how innovation is approached, ensuring the fundamental scientific principles remain accessible for future discoveries. Now, imagine this. If broad patents were allowed on basic scientific principles, it could stifle innovation and create monopolies that hinder scientific advancement. The decision serves as a reminder of the importance of fostering an environment where scientific advancements can thrive without being stifled by overly broad patents. For those in business law, understanding this balance is crucial. It highlights the role of legal frameworks in promoting innovation while safeguarding public access to essential knowledge. The Mayo versus Prometheus case invites us to reflect on how we can best support both legal protections for inventors and the free flow of scientific knowledge. It underscores the importance of crafting patent laws that encourage genuine innovation without creating barriers for entry for future researchers and developers. This balance is vital for fostering a dynamic and competitive market, where new ideas can flourish and contribute to societal progress.
The Mayo versus Prometheus decision undeniably plays a pivotal role in shaping the delicate balance between patent law and scientific innovation. This landmark case underscored the principle that abstract ideas and natural phenomena, such as the laws of nature or basic building blocks of science, should not be patentable unless they are coupled with inventive applications. This ensures that these fundamental principles remain accessible for further research and development, fostering a culture of exploration and innovation. However, it also leaves room for inventors to secure legal protections for their groundbreaking applications and methods. By striking down overly broad patents, particularly in the fields of healthcare and diagnostics, the ruling safeguards against monopolization of essential scientific knowledge. For instance, allowing patents on natural correlations or phenomena without inventive applications could stifle advancements by preventing researchers and companies from building on these discoveries. The decision reminds us of the importance of maintaining a patent system that supports innovation while also promoting the free exchange of ideas, a balance that is critical in the fields like medicine where rapid innovation can save lives. As we look to the future, the implications of this case challenge us to carefully consider where we draw the line. How do we ensure that inventors are rewarded for their efforts without locking up the basic tools of scientific inquiry? The Mayo versus Prometheus ruling stands as a testament to this enduring tension by emphasizing the need for inventive applications and patent eligibility. It encourages collaboration and creativity in science technology. It protects inventors' rights while simultaneously ensuring that the building blocks of discovery remain accessible to all, an equilibrium that is vital to progress. Ultimately, this case invites a deeper reflection on how our legal systems can best support both the advancement of knowledge and the incentives necessary to fuel innovation.